Hey there, globe-trotting adventurers and sun-soaked seekers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to spill the beans on a place that might just make you ditch your everyday routine and swim into the turquoise wonderland that is Lefkada. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lefka what? Well, my friend, Lefkada is like that friend who doesn't boast about being the life of the party, but totally steals the show. It's Greece's best-kept secret, and guess what? We're about to unlock its stunning beauty together. So, grab your sunscreen, get ready to laugh, and let's make this island our playground. But before we embark on this unforgettable journey, let's tackle the name, Lefkada. That's right, not Lefkada or Lefkada. It's got that Greek flair, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be rolling those syllables like a true islander. Now, let's dive into the sun-soaked haven that is Lefkada's collection of beaches. Each one a picturesque canvas waiting for your footprints. Picture this, you stroll along the shores of Porto Katsiki, where the sands shimmer like crushed diamonds, and the cerulean waters are so clear that you can practically see your dreams reflecting back at you. It's the kind of place where even the most steadfast technology skeptics will find themselves snapping selfies left and right, capturing the sheer, unadulterated beauty that surrounds them. And then there's Vasiliki Beach. Oh boy, it's like the Greek gods themselves curated the ultimate wind surfing arena. With every gust of wind, colorful kites take to the sky, and adventurers ride the waves like modern-day Poseidon. You'll want to capture every exhilarating moment, every splash, and every triumphant ride, but I'm warning you, your camera roll's gonna be so full. It might just start sending you storage almost full notifications with an exhausted emoji. And if you thought your phone's been through a lot, just wait till it experiences the paradise that is Lefkada's beaches. It's gonna need a vacation just to recover from all the stunning views and sun-soaked shenanigans. Oh, don't mind me, just channeling my inner model amidst these stunning vistas. But you know what's even cooler? The legendary tales behind Lefkada's name. Legend has it that the island was connected to the mainland by a narrow strip of land, and guess what? The locals didn't like sharing their paradise with outsiders, so they decided to build a bridge and, well, let's just say it didn't end well for that piece of land. And that's how Lefkada got its name. Lefka means white, and it's named after the white cliffs that now stand as a testament to some legendary stubbornness. Alright, let's put those legendary tales on the back burner for a moment, and set our taste buds on a sensational journey through Lefkada's culinary wonderland. Brace yourselves, my fellow foodies, because what awaits you here is nothing short of a gastronomic symphony that will have your taste buds dancing the samba. Imagine, if you will, sitting by the sea at a charming seaside taverna, where the aroma of sizzling seafood wafts through the air, tempting even the most steadfast vegetarians to question their life choices. You're about to indulge in a seafood platter that even Poseidon himself would raise an eyebrow at. It's a seafood extravaganza where each bite is a succulent melody of oceanic flavors that practically transport you to the heart of the Mediterranean. But that's not all. Oh no. Let's talk about gyro. Those delectable Greek sandwiches that wrap you in a warm embrace of pure comfort. In Lefkada, these handheld delights are more than just food. They're a culinary hug and a pita, a taste of Greece's love affair with flavor and culture. And as if that weren't enough, Lefkada adds a pinch of local charm to every meal with olives and feta cheese that are so divine. You might just catch yourself exclaiming "Opa" with every bite. So, prepare your taste buds, because Lefkada's culinary offerings are about to take your senses on a roller coaster ride they won't soon forget. Now, my adventurous comrades, it's time to take a splash into the aquatic wonderland that is Lefkada's snorkeling scene. Imagine this, you don your snorkel gear, the anticipation building like the crescendo of an orchestra about to unveil a mesmerizing symphony. As you dip beneath the crystalline surface, you'll find yourself transported to a real-life Finding Nemo sequel, where every nook and cranny of the underwater world reveals a new character. In this vibrant marine tale, the waters here are so clear that you might just catch your reflection in a passing school of fish, and let's be honest, even Aquaman would give his trident to swap places with you for a day. Take a moment to appreciate the sheer clarity of the ocean as it envelops you, a translucent embrace that lets you peer into the mystery mysteries of the deep. And speaking of mysteries, check out this little aquatic explorer swimming alongside me. Hey, buddy, you up for some underwater camaraderie? It's like a silent dance, a fluid ballet between species, where you're not just an observer but a participant in this watery wonderland. So grab your snorkel, summon your inner marine biologist, and let's dive into an underwater party that'll make Ariel and her fishy friends green with envy. Alright, folks, prepare yourselves for a cultural rendezvous that's bound to leave you tapping your toes and clapping your hands in joy as we shift our gaze from the awe-inspiring landscapes to the heart and soul of Lefkada. We find ourselves immersed in a vibrant tapestry of traditional Greek culture. It's like stepping into a time capsule where ancient rituals and modern life intertwine, creating an experience that's as authentic as a gyro served by a local yaya. And what better way to truly embrace this cultural feast than by stepping onto the dance floor and swaying to the rhythm of the island. Now, full disclosure, I might not be ready to star in a Greek dance movie just yet, but what I lack in precision, I make up for in boundless enthusiasm. Picture this, a circle of locals, hands linked, and feet moving to the pulse of the music. The sound of laughter fills the air as generations come together, sharing not just dance steps, but stories, memories, and a deep-rooted sense of community. As I fumble through the dance, I can't help but feel like a part of something bigger, like a traveler and a local all at once, connected by the universal language of movement and merriment. So, my friends, let's not just witness Lefkada's culture from the sidelines, let's jump in with both feet, albeit slightly out of rhythm, and become honorary members of this lively island family. And hey, who knows, maybe by the end of this, I'll have mastered the dance moves, or at the very least, perfected my enthusiastic twirl. Get ready to embark on a trekking adventure that will have you embracing the great outdoors and discovering a whole new side of Lefkada's splendor. It's time to dig out those trusty hiking boots, my fellow explorers, because Lefkada has a wild card up its sleeve, hiking trail, that'll make even the most experienced mountaineer's heart skip a beat. Yes, you heard me right. This island isn't just about powdery sands and delectable seafood. It's also a playground for thrill-seeking nature enthusiasts who are ready to lace up and conquer some seriously jaw-dropping trails. Imagine the thrill of the journey. The wind tussling your hair as you ascend, each step revealing vistas that rival the most epic fantasy landscapes. These trails are the perfect blend of exercise and awe, a symphony of uphill climbs and panoramic rewards that will leave you breathless. Quite literally, whether you're a seasoned hiker, a selfie-seeking wanderer, or somewhere in between, these paths offer an experience that will have you saying, Mount Olympus who, because let's face it, after conquering Lefkada's trails, even the ancient Greek gods might just be looking at you with a hint of envy. Grab your hiking gear, bring your sense of wonder, and prepare to forge your own path through Lefkada's untamed beauty. Your Instagram feed is about to get a serious upgrade, and your sense of accomplishment, well, that's about to reach epic heights too. The sunsets in Lefkada, they're like a masterpiece painted across the sky every evening. It's like Mother Nature's way of saying, hey, I've got a surprise for you at the end of the day. So grab a cozy spot, maybe a glass of local wine, and let yourself get lost in the beauty. That is Lefkada's golden hour. Well, there you have it, my fellow travel enthusiasts. Lefkada might be Greece's best-kept secret, but we're letting the cat out of the bag and sharing this island paradise with you. From beaches that'll make you want to ditch your shoes forever to the legendary tales and scrumptious eats, Lefkada is a place that needs to be on your bucket list. But wait, there's more. Don't let the adventure stop here. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and get ready for more thrilling journeys, hilarious mishaps, and hidden treasures from around the world. Who knows where we'll land next? One thing's for sure. It's gonna be a ride you won't want to miss. Until next time, fellow wanderers, stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video. Opa.